Hey, Jason Couto here with Couto Construction. And again, wanted to answer some of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to windows specifically. So we're here at a window job and this window is halfway installed. What I mean is it's missing the interior trim. And the question we get asked pretty often is, hey, how do I know if it's a good quality window? I want to really preface this with the truth is most of the times it's actually not the window that tends to fail. It's actually a lack of proper installation methods or craftsmanship issues. So like for instance, one thing that you want to notice here, so on this window is it opens nice and easy. This is a double lock system where, opens up nice and easily operable. But there is a point where if you start to see too big of gaps that are happening along these weather seal areas, right? These weather strips here are sometimes the biggest difference that happens in a good quality window. See, the older windows didn't have as many of these weather strips there, which then would add for air infiltration. Now, Provia being one of the windows that has one of the highest air infiltration ratings, which means and how much time does it take to turn over the volume of air inside of a room in comparison to what goes through the window. Now, there's no window that is going to be 100% air infiltration just because then you wouldn't be able to operate it to move. But making sure that you have enough weather seals in there is going to be the difference of a good quality window. Now, this Provia window is definitely one of those that we would say is definitely up there on a higher quality window. Another thing that we want to point out is, making sure that it's insulated correctly around. I can't tell you how many times that we go and remove a window and come to find out that it doesn't have the proper insulation all the way around the window. And you can see through this video that we took with a microscopic camera that we got a nice insulation bead going all the way around. And then we'll add an additional layer of insulation on there just to make sure that we double protect that and make sure that we're getting energy efficiency out of the window the way that the manufacturer specifications should be. So, hey, if you don't know whether your window was installed correct or when you should replace your windows, again, feel free to give us a call here at Couto Construction. When it comes to windows or any home improvement project, remember, our family's got yours covered.